Calling all call center warriors. Are you tired of battling the relentless monster of clunky software, frustrated agents, and dissatisfied customers? Fear not, for a true hero has emerged to rescue you from the depths of call center despair. Introducing Dialer King Technologies, your ultimate call center superhero squad. We're not just here to offer you run-on-the-mill features, we're here to empower you. Imagine us as the key that unlocks a world where simplicity meets effectiveness and where happy customers are your daily anthem. Do you remember the days of navigating through menus as complex as ancient hieroglyphics, or the frustration of features buried deeper than the treasure in a forgotten tomb? Bid farewell to all those struggles. With our revolutionary user-friendly dialer software, Ideola, managing calls becomes as smooth as gliding on ice. Envision your agents transformed into productivity powerhouses, handling calls with ease, and your customers leaving you praises. It's not just a fantasy, it's a reality we are here to deliver. But wait, there's more. We recognize that every call center is a unique identity, each with its own set of challenges and opportunities. That's why Ideola isn't just a cookie cutter software, it's a customizable cape. Tailor its features to fit your needs, allowing your team to soar above the competition. Picture the metrics of efficiency skyrocketing and customer satisfaction reaching superhero levels. It's not just a dream, it's a story waiting to be told. And here's the best part. We're not just tossing you tools and wishing you luck. No, we are your trusted sidekick and we'll stand by your side through thick and thin. From the initial installation and training to ongoing support, we've got your back completely. Consider us the Alfred to your Batman, the Oracle to your Batgirl. Today we'll conquer any call center challenge and leave your competition wondering where their phone booth disappeared to. So, are you ready to unleash your superhero? Don't go battling alone. Cast aside the frustration and join forces with Dialer King Technologies. Remember, every call is an opportunity to be a hero. Reach out to us today and let's embark on this epic journey together. With us at your side, you will be soaring to new heights in no time. And always remember, happy agents equal happy customers and happy customers equal a thriving business. So let's don our capes and go out there to be heroes. Together, we'll make a difference in the world of call centers, one call at a time. Now, let's dive deeper into the benefits of partnering with King Asterix Technology. Our innovative solutions not only streamline your operations but also elevate the entire customer experience. Imagine a world where your agents are equipped with tools that enhance their efficiency and effectiveness. With Ideola, a user-friendly dialer software, that world becomes a reality. Say goodbye to those days of struggling through cumbersome menus and buried features, and say hello to a smoother, more streamlined call navigation process that empowers your agents to excel in their roles. But we understand that one size does not fit all. That's why Ideola is more than just a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a customizable cape that allows you to tailor features to fit your unique business needs. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, whether you specialize in inbound or outbound calls, Ideola can be adapted to suit your specific requirements. Imagine the possibilities when you have the freedom to shape your tools to fit your business like a glove. With Ideola, the sky is the limit. Of course, we don't just stop at providing you with great software. We are your trusted partners every step of the way. From installation to training to ongoing support, we are here to ensure that you get the most out of your investment. Think of us as your tech superheroes, ready to swoop in and save the day whenever you need us. With our expert guidance and support, you can be rest assured that your call center will always be operating at peak performance. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your inner hero and take your call center to new heights. Contact Dialer King Technologies today and let us help you achieve supercharged success. Together, we'll conquer the challenges of the call center world and emerge victorious. Don't wait another moment and take the first step towards greatness now. Join the ranks of call center heroes today. Contact Dialer King Technologies and let us help you unlock your full potential. Together, we'll conquer the challenges and emerge victorious. Don't wait and take the first step towards greatness today.